just replaced the windshield wipers with some Bosh ones, so gonna see if these ones work better, because you know the old ones kind of needed to be replaced. Yeah, you see these? That's not good. So yeah, let's hope they work. Alright, so let's see. Perfect. Nice and dry. Good. Definitely something good to have, because you do not want to be driving with bad windshield wipers. I'm going to attempt to remove the steering wheel and put on the other one. So what you do first, disconnect the battery. I guess it's not loose enough. I disconnected the battery. I believe you have to press the brake pedal probably like 5 times or 10 times. Something like that. Just so it like gets out the last bit of charge in the battery or whatever. And then it's I believe I'm using a T27 right now, which seems to work. So it's either going to be a T25, T27, or T30. So yeah. Okay, so it was a little easier to turn it and then do it. So now you got to turn the wheel back straight. Unhook these 2 wires. This one goes to the top, which is the horn, and then this one is the airbag and it goes to the bottom. Then you undo this, which is a 16. So give me a second to grab the 16. It's a 16, or what is it, like a 5/8. And then just take this thing out. And sometimes the wheel is really stuck, so you got to leave it in there a bit and then tug on it, but I'm going to see which is which. Yep. So it was a little bit stuck on there, so I did as I did last time on the first E36, and I left the bolt in and pulled it so it loosened itself. And then you can take it out all the way. But for the most part, it shouldn't be in there too hard. Steering wheel is on. It's centered. And then I'm not going to attach the horn right now, so I'm just going to put the horn button in, and boom. Everything should be all set now. So I'm going to reattach the battery. Give me a second. And then I think that's the 13 side. Yeah, so you just connect the battery back, tighten it back down, put the cover back on. And these covers are very good just in case, you know, you have stuff in the back and you don't want anything metal to go roll over and touch the 2 battery terminals. Because I just saw a video on Instagram a couple days ago of that actually happening, and the car catching on fire. It was a track car too, so yeah. But anyhow, let's see. Turn the car on. Well, first you do that, and then since I didn't get my what do you call it? I have to start it this way. Hold on. And boom. So now I'm gonna test it out. And there's a lot more space. My leg doesn't touch it anymore. Oh, I actually forgot to close the hatch. Okay. I don't really have any place to mount a camera, so I'm just gonna have to do it this way. And the steering wheel, oh man, this is already so much better just reversing. may be a tad off center and I might have to adjust it, but we'll see. I'm not 100% sure yet. But yeah, this is definitely a lot better. So let's see if it's... Yeah, I gotta adjust it. Oh, wait, do I? Yeah, I believe it. I don't know if it's just the way the car is or what, but I may need to adjust it like one tooth or something. But yeah, this is definitely a lot better. Driving is so much more comfortable off rip, because before my knee was touching the steering wheel and now I have a good amount of space. It looks better. Granted, I don't care for the two-spoke, but yeah. I guess I'll get some more reviews soon, but yeah, this is definitely very nice. Oh man, I'm so glad I decided to do this just now. Oh Jesus, this is wonderful. And it's kind of, yeah, no, I believe it is straight. I think it's just like the way the car, like the dash and stuff is. I just got to get used to it. But yeah, I believe the wheel is straight, but I don't know. Let's see. I guess. But yeah, I guess you guys will see it in a second. And then there's no horn, as I said before, but I'll install that soon. Hopefully nobody's coming. But yeah, this is just so much better. And the clock spring does work, so the steering wheel thing turns off, which is beautiful. I love that. And my old steering wheel, since I had the cheap Boss hub, it didn't have the clock spring attachment thing, so yeah. But anyhow, thanks for watching. That was just like a quick little install how-to type video. Steering wheel is one of the easiest mods you can do, and it changes up the car so much, so yeah. And I still have a little bit of an idling issue that I have to fix, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Yeah, oh man, I just had to add this last clip to the video. A steering wheel really changes the entire feel of the car, and it could be a very cheap mod if you get everything secondhand like I did. It could be such a good cheap mod to completely change the driving feel of the car. Like, you guys have no idea, because you didn't drive the car before and after. But I'm even gonna have my boy Lauren drive it when he comes back from H2OI. I wish I was there, but I was having some car problems. But yeah, anyhow, I'm gonna have him review it and just let you guys know how the steering wheel changed the car so much. Like, it just feels so much more direct and everything in driving the car. Even just that quick little 2 seconds it just completely changed the feel of the car, and I'm just a lot more connected to the road and everything, because there's no like dead spots, because the wheel is quite a bit smaller. So yeah, the car feels just a lot more tight. And now I just want to get like racing seats and stuff like that, just to complete the whole like in tune feel to the car. Like, it's hard to explain, put it into words, but if you ever installed an aftermarket steering wheel, you'll know exactly what I mean. Thanks for watching.